So I just got kind of inspired, like just earlier today, about something that, I don't know, what was it? It just reminded me about the thing you should never tell young creatives, that there's no use in doing it. Now, what do I mean by that? Like, okay, here's the memory that kind of triggered this rant. So I'm at this, I think it was a panel or something at an anime con, could have been a comic con, and the topic was on, I think webcomics came up, and it's like, oh, no one should really, bother making it, there's just so much out there. And you know why I have a problem with that sort of attitude? That people actually said this about YouTube as well, like, oh, everyone's doing reviews or everyone's doing X or Y, it's just oversaturated. So why? The reason why this bothers me so much is because it's very discouraging when there's someone, and I'm gesturing so much as I talk, I forgot to actually sketch this Pearl fan art. This is supposed to be a sketch and rant video. Basically, what really pisses me off about it, because you're telling younger people who hope to, say, create something like you or want to, that there's no use in even trying because there's too much of it. And I'm here, and I'm not going to be one of those creators, even if I somehow, most likely won't happen, get big on this channel or this site. I will never say that to someone, that there's no use in doing it, or don't do it, it's oversaturated. Now, what do you say instead of that? What you say is, you, one, encourage them, but two, you let them know that it's actually a lot of hard work to get, big, and to temper expectations. You're not going to get 1 billion subscribers on just one YouTube video, and sometimes it takes 100 videos before you make your big break, I guess, for lack of a better term. Or maybe your webcomic is just, your first webcomic is just maybe not one. It might not be your first. I actually had 3 in my life. 2, you're probably just learning about art and making comics, and this is like your medium that you want to try and cut your teeth on it. Nothing wrong with that. I encourage both those things. But what I cannot stand is when someone's just like, oh, it's just a lot of it out there, you shouldn't do it. No, do it. Because the thing you have to remember, 1, things end. 2 webcomics I really liked. One was Unconventional. Another one I like called Weregeek. They're both ending. Belmaries, that ended this week. So there's always room for someone else. And even if those weren't ending, there's still room out there for new comics. If people took that advice, maybe we wouldn't have some of my favorite webcomics. Would we have Sleepless Domain? Would we have, what's another one I like? Crap. I'm trying to think of something I like, but I'm doing an impromptu rant, so I'm forgetting. Maybe I'll put it text to the screen if I remember. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is, don't ever tell someone that. You don't know how discouraging it was. And I was one of those people in the audience as a young creator wanting to do it, and I was like, maybe they're right. Oh, hell no. But you know what? That didn't keep me back. I still did it anyway. And yeah, you could be like, yeah, but the ones that can truly do it will just do it even if they hear that advice. Well, you know what? Self-esteem is a bitch, depression is a bitch, and maybe they'll take that as a sign. You don't know that. Anyway, yeah, that is just something that really bothers me. I will make this pledge to never be, even if I don't know, maybe in the future I work on a TV show, or one of my comics get published and becomes big, or I'm just a bigger YouTuber. I will never, what's the word? Disencourage? Unencourage? Tell me in the comments, because I don't know English. I will never say that to you because it was said to me and it's just really shitty. Why would you do that? Why would anyone say that? It's not too late to learn. It's not too late to start that project you always wanted. If you need a sign to tell you, do the thing, this is your sign. Here, you know what? Hold up. I'm drawing a sign. Do the thing. do 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 the thing, do 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 the thing. And if no one is in your life is encouraging you to go after your creative pursuits, I'm encouraging you. Viga is encouraging you. Something just triggered that memory, and I felt so fiery about it that I just had to get on the mic and do it. And you know what, on this channel you might have these kind of impromptu type of videos. I'm working on this Pearl sketch. Now this sketch is like, one, it's also for something I want to sell on my Redbubble. Two, I also want to ink and color it in a video I'm working on this week, all about 5 things to improve your art. So look out for that. But it might, the 10 YouTuber styles might come out first. I haven't really decided. And thank you for sticking around, even though this hand is really wonky and I'm trying to figure it out. And I even broke down a hand and something. I think I'm just gonna have to pose and do this out. Here's a sneak peek, something that will make you better at art. Learning how to draw stuff in humans in perspective, because I'm working at that. So I have a Patreon. I need to actually shout out people. I was going to start that in the next official episode, but I guess this is now the next official episode because I just started ranting on the thing. But because I was transitioning from Idols of Anime to Viga's art room, I stopped pretty much payments for a while to see if who wants to stick around or not. And I guess these are the people who stick around, and we got one new one. Shout out to Jen Mart for being new. Also thanks to Aaron Clark, AJ Martinson, Chris Adamson, Jeffrey Voss, Jen A. Blue, Kakstram, Melissa Robert Kopp, Sarah Froelich, Terry Fanatics, and You Ain't Wrong. Thank you everyone. Do 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 do. Why am I singing Lavender Town's theme song? Do 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 do. Every time someone reads the Patreon, it makes me think of her theme song. I'm stealing Lavender Town's theme song. Do 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 do. Stealing her theme song now. No script, just fiery passion. Sorry if this isn't to par. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.